the previous videos, we saw tutorials on Livebox playlist and ways to create a playlist with already existing YouTube videos. But now, Livebox is developed with a feature called Playout where you can create your own playlist with your local files and stream it live to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or any other media destination. So today, I'll be doing on Livebox Playout tutorial. Welcome to this video. Now, I'm on the Livebox dashboard. From here, you can have the access to Playout by clicking on Apps from the navigation menu. Let's log in. We are now taken to the Playout interface and let me show you how to add local files and create a playlist with it. So let's get started now. To create a playlist, first you have to upload your files on Playout. So I'm clicking on Add File and then Choose File. These are the videos with which I'm going to create my playlist. My files are now uploading and this is going to take some time. So now the files are uploaded. All my uploaded files are put together in one folder and I'm clicking on this folder. From here, I'm going to do the drag and drop job. We can drag and drop all the videos or few selective videos and even have other videos for future streaming, so it's up to us. To start my playlist, I am clicking on Start Now and then Refresh Preview to preview my playlist contents. Now the playlist is created and also running successfully. In order to take through your playlist contents to several destinations, there are few more steps ahead. Go to Settings and here we have setting options for output, encoding, playouts, buffer and finally RTMP, and this is where I'm going to enter the streaming URL of my channel. After entering my streaming URL, I'm clicking on this push RTMP. Let me go to my streaming channel and check whether it is streaming. Now I'm on the Livebox dashboard. I'm selecting my channel. It shows live status and I'm clicking on preview. So my playlist contents are live streaming successfully. By following these steps, you can create your own playlist with your local files, and from Livebox streaming server, you can take it to several destinations like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or any other RTMP server. Well, that's it for now and thanks for watching this video.